Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, we will learn how to enable sound for screen recording in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. Suppose while recording screen, if you would like to add recording sound, such as if you are giving voiceover, then you can do it. But in your phone, if it is not enabled, that is screen recording sound is not enabled for your phone, you can follow this video and learn it so that you can screen record with sound. Okay, as of now I am checking my phone. Okay, so I go to S capture in the notification area, and here click on record sound, and I am recording recording this screen. Okay, so whatever I go in my screen, my mobile, that will be recorded in an order, and I stop this recording and play this recording, and I also increase volume, but there is no sound because there may be some settings changed. Okay, so you go to correct those settings. So if I do screen recording like this, sound cannot be recorded. Okay, whatever sound you do over the over the screen recording, then it will not be done because sound recording is not yet done. Okay, so if you would like to enable sound for screen recording, what you go to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to shortcuts and accessibility, and here select S capture, and here click on record sound option. See there, in record sound option none is selected, so that no sound is recorded while doing screen recording. So here, if you would like to use external sound, that is microphone sound or external environmental sound, you go to use microphone sound. Suppose if you would like to use only internal sound, that is sound from your phone, okay, then use system audio. Okay, if you would like to use both sound, click on system audio and microphone sound. I keep on system sound and microphone sound, and I do now screen recording. Okay, now sound is enabled for both internal and external microphone sound, and I am checking it, and I go to S capture, click on record screen, and screen recording is going on. Screen recording checking, screen recording checking. Thank you. Screen recording sound checking. Thank you. I stop the recording and play the file on record screen, and screen recording is going on. Listen. Screen recording checking, screen recording checking. Thank you. Yes, screen recording is done with voice. Okay, that is sound is enabled now. Okay, so in this way you can easily enable screen recording, that is sound for screen recording in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.